all of you know what is the monomial and binomial and trinomial. Is it visible to everyone, ma'am? Okay. Monomial. Monomial is a polynomial with a single term. With a single term. Is called a monomial. Binomial. A polynomial with two terms is called a binomial. Trinomial. A polynomial with three terms is called a trinomial. Binomial and trinomial we call as multinomials. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Here I'm taking it is the monomial. It is the monomial because it has the only one term. Binomial. Trinomial. Here binomial and trinomial we can say multinomials. Multinomial.
Madam, voice was breaking, madam.
Voice is breaking. Now, ma? Okay. Monomial. Monomial has a single term and binomial has a two terms. Trinomial has a three terms. We can say trinomial and binomial also multinomial. It is the basics of your 7th class. Okay. Now, the degrees. Degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Here, what is the degree of the polynomial? Okay, the highest power of the polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Here, degree of the there are the linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Here, if degree is 1, if the polynomial degree is 1, then we can call as it's a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. I'm taking here as 2x plus 3. Here, what is the degree? It is the x to the power of x degree. What is the degree of the x? Is the 1. So, here, degree of when we have the degree 1, it is called as linear polynomial. If degree has 2, we can quadratic polynomial. We call as quadratic polynomial. Example, I am taking as x square plus 9y. Okay. If degree is 3, well, listen carefully. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. X cube plus 2y. Here there is no rule about terms. How many terms are there present in the polynomial is not considered. Here we have taken only degrees of the degrees only. Highest degree. Here, if degree is 4, is called biquadratic polynomial. It's not necessary for your class. Of course, you will know this. Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. 2x to the power of 4 plus 3y square plus. Here, okay, listen carefully, ma. Degree of 1 is called the linear polynomial. If degree has 2, it is called as quadratic polynomial. If degree has 3, it is called as cubic polynomial. Here degree has 4, by it is called as quadratic polynomial. Here are the examples. Okay. If degree has 0, listen carefully. If I am taking degree as 0, is it possible to degree as 0? As it is possible.
Yes, madam.
Madam.
Yes,
madam.
all of you know what is the value of a power 0? It is the value of a power 0 is what? So, it is possible if degree of any constant is 0. If degree is 0, it is the constant polynomial. We can say it is the constant polynomial. Pay attention, ma. It is the most important bit for you. Okay. Here I am taking 2 plus 3y. 2 plus 3y. Okay. Sorry. 2 plus 2 plus 5. See. Here I am taking x. Here is the there is no presence of x. Of course, we can treat as 2x to the power of 0 plus c. Okay. Here, what is the value of x to the power of 0? It's the 1. So we need not to write x power 0. So it is if degree of 0, it is called as a constant polynomial. Any constant polynomial, we have the degree as 0. So here degree means the highest power of the polynomial. All of you note that highest power of the polynomial is called the degree. Okay. I gave you one problem here. 2x square plus 2 to the power of 5 plus 3 cube. What is the degree of this polynomial? What is the degree of that?
5, madam.
Okay.
5, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
5.
5, madam.
Wrong. Pay attention, ma. Okay. Okay. It is the highest power only. It is the highest power only. It is the variable. Highest variable power is called the degree. So it has a value. 2 power 5 means that is the value is 32. So it is not required to write in square form. But here it is the variable. X square is the variable. We need not to write this value something is. So we can measure this value of x square. So we can't measure the value of x square. So it is the highest power of the variable. So highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. So in this polynomial, we can say the highest power is. What is the highest power? Now listen carefully. The highest power is 5. The degree of the polynomial is x square. Okay.
X square.
Highest power is 5. Degree of the polynomial is x square. Is it clear, ma?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes, madam. Clear.
Okay. Variable power ఏది ఉందో దాన్ని మాత్రమే మనం డిగ్రీగా ట్రీట్ చేస్తాము. Otherwise, we can't treat anything. Okay. Variable we should present. There should be present in variable. Okay. Okay. I will share one thing to you to easily understand. Here Is it visible to you, ma? Okay. Here constant
Yes, madam.
polynomial. Here I'm saying constant polynomial. Polynomial of degree is 0. Here examples are 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Here I'm taking x to the power 2 equal to 2 x to the power of 0. Here there is examples there. Okay. 3. 3 equal to 3 into x to the power of 0. 5. 5 into x to the power of 0. So in this way, all constants are constant polynomials. Okay. Linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree 1 is 1. Examples: x plus 2, y plus 1, 3u plus 4. Here x what is the degree of x? The degree of x is 1. So we can say it is a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Sorry. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Polynomial of degree is 2. Here, see the examples. 2x squared plus 5, x squared plus 2 by 7x, x squared plus 2x plus 5. All the in all the examples, there is the highest power is. So, highest power is treated as degree. So, it is the degree of the polynomial is square. So, 2. Cubic polynomial. Polynomial of degree is 3. Here, the sum of the examples are there. 8x cubed, 2x cubed plus x plus 1, 6 minus x cubed. Here also degree is 3. So, we can say these are the cubic polynomial. Okay? Okay. Move to the next. Okay. Here, value of polynomial. Value of polynomial. Value of polynomial. Here, value of polynomial is nothing but we have the value is we have to substitute the value of x or any variables. We can say we can find the some value of x. It is called the value of x. Okay. Can you say which is the greater one, 2 or 3? Here, 3 is the greater than 2. Okay. Can you say which is the greater between x and y? Which is the greater one? I'm not giving any values. So, without giving any values, we can't say which is the greater value is the variable. So, if you assign any value for x and y, you can easily find out which is the greater. If I am assigning the x value is 4 and y value is 6, which is the greater value? Y is the greater value. Okay. Here I am taking the one polynomial u of x equal to 4x square minus 2x plus 4. Here I am taking x as minus 1. Here there is one of the I am taking is the just assumption only. Polynomial 4x square minus 2x plus 4. I'm taking the value of x is minus 1. We substitute the x minus 1 where the polynomial x presence. I am taking p of minus 1. Here the x presence. Here 4 into. Here also value is minus 1 square. 2 into minus 1 plus 4. No, it is the one value. Okay. Okay. Here p of minus 1. This is the polynomial. Minus 1 into minus 1. Value is plus 1. 4
Plus
into 1 is the 4.
4. Okay.
Here minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2.
plus 2.
plus 4. Here, what is the polynomial value? 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So, the given polynomial value is 10. Okay? Here, it is the value of the polynomial. We got some value of the polynomial. In zeros, the zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial. Here, I am taking 2x plus 3 is the polynomial or not. Here, find the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Now, listen carefully. No? Zeros of the polynomial. We need to equal to 0. I am taking here p of 0 equal to 2x plus 3. Here 2x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3 by 2. It is the value of x. And we have to find the value of x. And similarly, if we substitute this value in the given polynomial, we get the value is 0. Okay, let us check. Here, what is the value? P of minus 3 by 2. 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3. Here, 2 will be cancelled. Here, minus 3 plus 3 is the value is 0. So, when we substitute the x value in the given polynomial, it becomes the value is 0. Here, we substitute in the given value x is 0, x value, we get the value of the polynomial. Okay? We get the value of the polynomial. Here we get the polynomial value of some constant. Here we get the x value. We need to equal to 0. Here if we substitute the value of x, what is given? It should be given the value is 0. Okay? All polynomials are multinomials. All polynomials are multinomials. All multinomials are not polynomials. Okay? Okay. These days, asking some questions about you. Okay. What is the degree of the polynomial? What is the degree of the polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is 1. Here, this is the 1. Is the irrational number. Next, is it a polynomial? Is it a polynomial? From polynomial definition, it has the negative value because of can be written as ax square b whole to the power of minus. So, from the definition, non-negative cases, it is the negative. So, it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. What is the ax square? What is this? It is the quadratic equation. It is the quadratic. It is the quadratic equation. So, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Okay, similarly, ax square plus bx plus c, what we call is the quadratic polynomial. It is called as quadratic polynomial. It's the quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus 3x plus 3 equal to 0, then it is called as quadratic equation. Here it is the form of ax square plus 3x plus 3. This is the form of polynomial, but it is in the form of quadratic polynomial. We can say similarly it is a quadratic this polynomial is on its degree. Genus of the polynomial, it depends on here. If 2x plus 3 has the only 1 0, 1 0. That means only one x value. Get the one x value. In case of 2x square plus 3x plus 6, x square plus 2x plus 3. It has the 2 zeros. 2 zeros. In case of x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 6, it has the 3 zeros. So we can say the polynomial of the polynomial 0, the zeros depends upon its existence. And